Hello children, now I am here to teach you EVS of Standard 1, lesson number 2, My Neighborhood. So before I begin the lesson, let me explain you about neighborhood. Neighborhood means someone or something who lives nearby you. So through this lesson you will come to know about the places which is your neighborhood. So let's begin. There are many other places near my house. Some of them are bus stop, bank, park, school, sports complex, library, police station, hospital, post office, market, etc. So as you all know, these places are your neighborhood. All these together form my neighborhood. All the places in the neighborhood provide different services. So as you can see that bus stop, bank, park, school, library, police station, hospital, these all are our neighborhood. So all these important places provide us different services. Children play in the park. We should keep the park clean and green. So children like to play in the park. So we must always keep this park clean and green. The place from where we buy things of daily needs is called market. So the places where people go to buy things of daily needs is called a market. We get different things which are used in our daily life. So where we get these things? We get these things in the market. The place from where we buy stamps, postcards and send money orders is the post office. So post office is known a place from where we buy stamps, postcards and send money orders is called the post office. We go to study in a school in the neighborhood. So school is a place where we get the education, which is very much important for all of us. So school is also our neighborhood. We get sports information, training and sports goods from a sports complex. Different types of games are played there. So sports complex is a place where we get different types of games. Where we can go into this sports complex, we get the information about sports, training and many different types of sports goods. A place where a large number of books are kept to read is called a library. We can borrow books from a library to read. So library is a place where we get large number of books to read. We can borrow books from a library and also we can read the books in the library. We keep our money safe in the bank. So bank is a place where we withdraw money and deposit money. A bank is a very safe place where we can keep our money. We can find auto rickshaw at a auto stand. So auto stand is a place where we can get auto rickshaws. The place from where we take a bus to go somewhere is the bus stop. So if we are going to a place which is not nearby us, we can take a bus. So in order to get into a bus, we need to stand in the bus stop. We go to a hospital for treatment when we are ill. So hospital is a place where we are treated by doctors. If we fall into sick, if we become ill, we go to the hospital for treatment. This is the end of the lesson. Hope you all understood. Thank you.